My dear friends, finished the rally car, the Yaris. So many videos, perhaps too much, but great work. We leave for I don't know how much the RC car section, and we return to the wonderful, poetic balsa wood and paper plane section. I don't know if you remember, but we have to finish this. And to finish this, there are several works to do. But what I want to do, doing these kind of things, is better you follow your imagination, what you really want to do. It's not necessary to follow all the steps one by one. You can jump from something to another. The important thing is not to make a mess, of course. And so now, to me, it's time to use this paper. And a little mix, because I have some structural parts to finish, the landing gear, for example. So today I want to start covering these, the wings. I cover all the parts, then I put everything together, scraping out the paper in order to let glue attach directly on wood and not on paper. And in the meanwhile, as we need some, how can I say, stop time in order the glue to dry, the water to dry, and so on, I can finish the structural part. And now we have a problem. I show you. You see, the plane is wonderful. Yellow, light blue, and here there's plastic, but I think you can appreciate. And there are a lot of lines that it's not easy to do with paper. I would like to do everything with paper, but I don't think it will be possible, because it's very difficult to place a so little line from here to here. They give you this. I never been able to use them without becoming mad, because sometimes they crack, they don't attach, because the glue doesn't work on paper, and so on. First. Second, they are too perfect. The whole plane is not perfect, so there's a difference between this perfection and this imperfection. But this could be a nice way. I can use water, detach, dry, put a very soft glue, and then apply over paper. This is one way. Another way is to cut, as the underpart is completely light blue, and about this I have just this, that it is blue, not light blue, so it will come where it will be not so nice. Light blue could be better, but I don't have it. I don't want to paint a white paper with an airbrush. I use that. Okay. The underpart is completely in blue, so I can do yellow here, following perhaps these. I do all yellow, then from here to here all in blue, and then use, this is quite similar, this blue is quite similar, or try to cut very thin lines and apply them. But this will come in another story, in another moment. By now I can cover 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, they have to be. This is the landing gear, and I have to build it. all covered with blue paper, and this is the rear wheel that I have to finish to paint with the black parts and so on. Today we start using yellow paper and glue. Which kind of glue? This kind of glue, MITYLAN. This is a glue they use to glue paper on walls. You can place the paper, then move. It's not an instant glue. It's very nice. This is the easy dope to shrink the paper. Now I cover first one side, then the other side. In yellow, I was saying you don't have to be precise, because later you will trim the paper. All right. Now, glue just on the external part of the frame, not here inside, otherwise you can shrink the paper in the same way everywhere. Okay. Which one? This part. Fantastic. I love this kind of work. To the outside in order to done. And this is one. We leave it here to dry, and we can do the other one. You want to see the same things hundreds of times? I don't think so. Oh, I will show you when I reach an important point. This I used to glue also on this central part, because it is too, wow, here we have a problem. Okay, here, oh, and also here. The better you place now the paper, the better will be the result. So take care. I love. Okay, and now, oops, I leave it here until it will be dried. Then I cut the excess of paper, and you say, how do you cut it? Very easy. Sanding down. And I left the paper all night long for drying before I sprayed with water, and now it's perfectly shrinked. Now the work that I love most, that is cutting the paper exactly on the edge of the wing. And this is, you can do by this way and also by this way. Fantastic. You have to be like a surgeon, precise and delicate, because this structure breaks in a moment. And here I want to leave paper a little bit on the upper part, so I scrape it in this way. You see that it turns back, and this is better for gluing the second. Fantastic. Here I don't want paper because I have to glue, and then we have to speak about this because I have a little bit of diagonal of angle, and so this is perfectly square.
Okay.
And now we are ready for the second paper part. Here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this I will show you at the end, because I don't think you are very interested in looking at this. 5 millimeters away, in order to have paper to go around the frame. If it's too much, I can cut it. Now it's glue time. Now I leave it dry, then I will cut very near and re-glue around. I proceed with all the others. The other 3 parts, the 2 wings and the rudder I made. Now I finish this one, so I cut, then glue, you can also fold it with the brush. But I still think that fingers are the best tool we have. Dry and wait. Today's work is finished. I'm pretty satisfied. I haven't used these that keep the paper perfectly, but up to now the result is quite good. And for today this is all. Next I have to work on this. I have to add 2 little pieces of wood here. I have to finish the landing gear and think to the engine. And about this there are some problems. What else? Fantastic work. Comment, like, subscribe, and ciao.